BluArmor activated.
Greetings riders. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use the speed dial feature on your BluArmor C60. With speed dial, you can instantly call your favorite contacts using the button module or the T-stick without reaching for your phone, making your rides smarter and safer. Let's get started. Step 1. First, turn on your BluArmor C60 and make sure it is paired with your phone. Open the BluArmor app and wait for it to connect. Now, inside the app, tap on Settings in the top right corner. Find and tap on Speed Dial. On the Speed Dial page, tap Add Contact. Search and select the contact you want to add. You can add up to 5 contacts for Speed Dial. Step 2. Triggering Speed Dial. There are 2 ways to trigger Speed Dial, using the 3-button module or the T-stick. Here is how to trigger Speed Dial with the 3-button module. Press the left and right buttons together twice. You will hear the prompt, Speed Dial followed by Redial. Redial is the first option. Press the center button once to call the last dial number. Press the plus or minus buttons to scroll through your saved Speed Dial contacts. When you reach the desired contact, press the center button to initiate the call. Now let's see how to use Speed Dial using the T-stick. On the T-stick, swipe right once, then swipe down to activate Speed Dial. You will hear the same prompt, Speed Dial followed by Redial.
Speed dial, redial.
Swipe left or right on the T-stick to browse through your saved contacts and tap the center button to initiate the call. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use Speed Dial on your BluArmor C60 so you can stay connected safely while riding.